Osho was one of the most influential Indian spiritual guru, whose wisdom was way ahead of his time. His teachings and philosophy has many followers all across the globe. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel, just for the sake of it. It really boosts our confidence to bring you better content each time. The way of love is the way of no expectation. Love exists only when there is a total acceptance and no desire to change anything. If you love a person, you will not interfere with his personal life. You would not dare to break the boundaries of his inner world. Love should be like breathing. It should be just a quality in you wherever you are, with whomsoever you are. Even if you are alone, love goes on overflowing from you. It is not a question of being in love with someone, it is a question of being loved. Falling in love, you remain a child; rising in love, you mature. Time and by, love becomes not a relationship, it becomes a state of your being. Not that you are in love, now you are love. Love is a spiritual experience, nothing to do with sexes, and nothing to do with bodies, but something to do with the innermost being. If you love a flower, don't pick it up. Because if you pick it up, it dies and it ceases to be what you love. So if you love a flower, let it be. Love is not about possession. Love is about appreciation. Relationship is a structure, and love is unstructured. So love relates, certainly, but never becomes a relationship. Love is a moment-to-moment process. Remember it. Love is a state of your being, not a relationship. There are loving people and there are unloving people. Unloving people pretend to be loving through the relationship. Loving people need not have any relationship, love is enough. Friendship is the purest love. It is the highest form of love, where nothing is asked for, no condition, where one simply enjoys giving. People say love is blind, because they do not know what love is. I say unto you, only love has eyes; other than love, everything is blind. Love has made people fall, and love has made people rise high. It all depends on what you have done with love. Love is a very mysterious phenomenon. It is a door; on one side is suffering, on the other side is bliss, on one side is hell, on the other side is heaven, on one side is samsara, the wheel of life and death, on the other side is liberation. Love is a door.